Okay, at this time, we'll have public comments on this. Yes, sir.
You didn't tell me it was him.
Councilmember Slapp, I get discriminated against a lot. Thank you. Thank you for reminding me. Thank you for allowing me to speak this morning. Good morning, Mr. Mayor, Mayor Brewer, and members of the Wichita City Council. My name is John Todd. I live at 1559 Payne here in Wichita, Kansas. Before you appoint municipal court judges today, I request that you give consideration to changing the city's charter ordinance in a manner that would require the election of Wichita Municipal Court judges by the citizens by election of the Wichita. The ordinance would be changed in a manner that would require the election of municipal court judges by the citizens of Wichita. During last spring's municipal election, the issue of the election of municipal court judges was brought up with no objection being raised by any of the candidates. And the citizens I have visited with about this issue are very supportive of the election process that clearly provides for a clear-cut separation of powers between the legislative branch, which is the City Council, and the judicial branch, which is the municipal court. As you're probably aware, municipal court judges have more power over citizens than most people know. The court can levy hundreds of dollars in fines against citizens and can send them to jail for up to 1 year, and surprisingly, there is no stenographic records of the court proceedings. The perception of a free and independent judiciary at municipal court level is essential to providing citizens the assurance that they have a place where they can go to protect their rights and be assured they receive the due process of law that they expect under our system of government. The election of municipal court judges by the people would certainly help ensure the people that their judiciary is independent of the influence of the legislative and the executive branches of government. The election of municipal court judges is the right thing to do. It returns control of the municipal courts to the people and makes the judiciary branch of city government accountable to them. I ask that you initiate legislation today that would allow citizens of Wichita to elect municipal court judges. I believe the election of municipal court judges is a process that can be achieved by charter ordinance under the city's home rule powers. Thank you for allowing me to speak.
Vice Mayor.
Thanks, Mayor. John, I appreciate that. I've always advocated for elected judges, and I wouldn't have a problem with that. Those are my comments.
Okay. Is there anyone else?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Being none, we'll return discussion back to the bench, and we have a motion on the floor, and it's by Councilwoman Slapp, and it's been seconded by Councilwoman Williams. We have a ballot this time, and so cast your vote, and then Madam Clerk, display for the record. Motion passes 7-0. Okay, moving right along.